Question 50. The voltage length characteristic of a direct current arc in an arc welding process is V is equal to 100 plus 40L, where L is the length of the arc in mm and V is the arc voltage in volts. During a welding operation, the arc length varies between 1 and 2 mm and the welding current is in the range of 200 to 250 ampere. Assuming a linear power source, the short circuit current is in amperes. So in this question, we have been given relation between voltage and length of the arc, and we have been given that the arc length varies between 1 mm to 2 mm and current varies between 200 ampere to 250 ampere. So we should know that for small arc length current is more and for bigger arc length current is less. So this line, we need to find the equation of this line. So at when length L is 1 mm, voltage will be 140 volt and corresponding I is 250 ampere. And when length will be 2 mm, voltage will be 180 volt and corresponding I is 200 ampere. So now let's write the equation. It will be V minus 140 upon 180 minus 140 is equal to I minus 250 upon 200 minus 250. So this will be V minus 140 is equal to I minus 250 into 40 by 50. So that will be 4 by 5. So this will be V is equal to 0.8 I minus, this is negative, so minus 4 by 5. So minus 0.8 I plus 4 by 5 into 250 plus 140. So V is equal to minus 0.8 I plus 200 plus 140, that equals 340. Now we have to find short circuit current, that will be this point. So at short circuit current the voltage is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to minus 0.8 I plus 340. So I will be equal to 340 by 0.8, that is equal to 425 ampere.